weather forecast is calling for a nice hot day around the bay. Upper 70s at the coast to low 90s inland. Tomorrow, even hotter. We will be in the low 80s to the mid 90s. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. Well, you may have just gotten it on your phone, but the federal government will be testing its nationwide emergency alert system coming up here in moments. People listening on the radio or watching TV, you will hear or see the message, but there may be some moments of silence.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
KCBS News Time, 11:22. In other news today, controlled burns are an effective tool for preventing wildfires. But as KCBS's Chris Ancarlo reports, climate change is making it harder to safely light these fires.
It's all about being